at the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau, and I'm here with Dana at Parkview Nursery, and we're here to talk about some of the awesome classes you have coming up this spring. You have classes all year round though, right?
Typically do, yes. Yeah, all the way through Christmas. We do take a little hiatus in May because we're pretty busy, but then we bring them back again in June. Try to really incorporate a lot of kids classes throughout the summer so that kids have something to do and it gets their hands dirty.
So what are some, you kind of have one going on right now that's like a spring ball make and take that's kind of all, like, you can just pop in and do it, right? And there's kind of some that are on a schedule, and tell us a little bit about.
Yep, we'd like to do the make and takes because you don't have to register. You can just come in if you have an afternoon off. You can come in, put together a little container, put it on your doorstep or on your kitchen table and have flowers this early season.
So what are some of your favorite classes coming up here in the next few weeks, and then kind of, like you said, you have that break in May and then back in June?
Yep. So our container gardening class is always our biggest class. We've been doing that forever. And we have our last class of that coming up this Saturday. Succulent make and takes are always big for us as well, and that one is also coming up this coming Saturday. And we will be doing that one periodically throughout the summer and fall as well. In the summer, like I said, we like to incorporate a lot of kids make and take classes, and our biggest one and our most fun is the cement make stepping stone. It's a very dirty class, but it's a lot of fun. We have, one year I think we had 72 kids come through and make a stepping stone.
Wow.
So
cool.
It's really a fun one. It's usually July, early August when we put that one together. But like every 2 weeks in June, July, August, we try to have something here for the kids to come in and do during the week.
And there's a lot, like, it's pretty easy to register for your classes, right? You just go on your website?
Yep, go on the website, register on there, or you can call in or stop in. We don't care, we can do it either way.
I know with the succulents, they've kind of taken off in recent years, and I don't think they're slowing down. Like, everybody
Not at all.
I love, like, hashtag plant mom. That one is really fun to follow on social media to be like all the people's plants stuff. So and you have a lot of things for inspiration too. If people do want to kind of create those really green spaces in their living spaces. And
Yep, we've got lots of ideas here. We've got lots of people that can help you out with any type of planting project that they have. We can certainly help them.
Awesome. Well, anything else you want people to know?
Our spring open house is coming up. April 30th through May 2nd will be our spring open house, which is great to bring that back because we had to cancel it last year. So it's just nice to bring back everything that we were not able to do last year.